Hi, in this video I will show you how to get Claude Code for free. We won't use any services, we'll just run it locally on your PC. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, install Python, Node.js, and Git on your PC. I think you already have it installed if you are watching this video. Then we will use this GitHub repository. It's pretty popular one, and this app allows you to use many providers. Alright, let's install it. There is a quick start guide that we'll follow. Open console or terminal. I recommend to run it with administrator permissions. Use an install command for your platform. I use Windows 11, and if you have the same you can face this error says you can't run scripts on this system. To fix this just use the following command, Set-ExecutionPolicy is unrestricted. And then enter the installing command one more time. The installation process takes some time. See that you are installed a lot of packages and 4 executables. Then run the local server. Allow networks to access Python if they ask. It's good if you see the same in the console, and also this page is opened in the browser. Here you can make some configuration. You have to add at least one provider to your Claude Code. I will use NVIDIA because it's free. Go to NVIDIA website and get some API key. To do this you should register an account here and verify it with your phone number. Okay, generate the key, name it as you want and set an expiration. Copy the generated key and paste it to the Claude Code page at the needed provider. You can use any of these providers, or several at once. Now you can run the Claude Code. Open one more terminal, and don't close another terminal window with the running server. In the new window you can change folder if you want, I'll just use user directory. Enter FCC Claude. When it's started you can change text style in the terminal, confirm that you trust the current folder. And now you can use the Claude Code here. A bit later I'll show you how to use it inside Visual Studio Code. Now let's just test Claude Code with this prompt. And after some time I got the result. They ask me if I want to save it in the current folder. That's why I told you to choose the folder before you run the Claude. I have to say it takes quite a long time to get response for each prompt with NVIDIA provider. It's probably because of my poor network connection. Alright, I open the saved HTML page. We were warned before that Claude can make mistakes. But anyway, this calculator works. You can ask anything you want. The next thing I have to show is how to add free Claude Code to Visual Studio Code. Open the console and run the server. Then open VS Code, go to Extensions. Find here, Claude Code for VS Code. Click Install and wait some time. After this go to the settings of the installed extension. Scroll down and find Environment Variables. Click Edit in Settings.json. Go to GitHub page again and copy these lines from here. Paste it to the environment variables and save this file. Now you can open a new Claude chat with this icon, and you can use it for your purposes. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments. Alright, and the last thing today, if you just want to simply get the Claude Code without any configuration, you can try shared account. It's much cheaper than on the official website. The best choice if you want to try all features of the Pro subscription. The link in the description. Thanks for watching.